Let's show the ditch. Show the ditch. Show the ditch.
What ditch?
Right
This
next
is
to
on
us.
August. What's today? 18th?
Yeah.
No, 19th, 18th. August 18th. Tropical storm Faye. On the field we were working on.
Now show the ditch.
What ditch? Oh. Okay. Here's the ditch. We're gonna get all wet. Almost flooded. Raining. I don't want to do this. Wow. Pretty flooded.
And here's some more flood.
Yep. Is the 20th
Of
2
August.
days
And this
later.
is Hurricane Faye. August
Tropical
20th,
storm
2008. And this is how flooded it is. Just from one tropical storm. Moving 5 miles per hour. The wind speed is 65 miles per hour.
Yep. Unprecedented flooding for the state of Florida. Never before seen more water than Hurricanes Jean and Francis combined. It's pouring.
There's probably all.
Flooding banks.
Look, turn.
Organic
Turn.
chickens. Okay.
Let me off here.
No. How are you gonna get across?
Simple. Just drop me off. Okay? Drop me off here.
All right, get out. Very wet chickens. Very wet chickens.
Don't forget to take food.
Oh. Pig food. Looking good. Another banana in the water. Now May lost all its leaves in this storm. Hopefully we'll have something to compare it to. And if it's nice and big. You can see this rain. It is coming down. Close to being flooded. Wow. That water's about to go. Hello, chickens. Ooh.
Okay? All right. Better back off a little more. Tell you what. Let me just take these off here because these are real close. We don't have this. You gotta kind of stand up on your knee here. You know what I mean? There you go. There you go. Put that right in there. Tuck it right in there. There you go. There you go. You better go back to this one. This one hurts so much when it falls on. Okay? Just practice the motion. I know it's too light. I'm trying to get something in between and I can't quite.
It's so late. I keep putting out my hand.
Alright, come here. I'll show you another one. Here, come here. Come here, lay down on your back over here. And I'll do these in a second. You show me how it's done and I'll do it in a second. Here, slide down the hill a little bit.
I'm not taking up.
Slide down here. You're not going to take me in my underwear, are you?
I'm cutting you out.
Oh, thanks. Alright, here, take this. You find where to do the other one. Here it is. Okay, here you go. Now, here. That's serious business now. Serious business. Here, straighten your arms out. When you do flies, okay, like this. Just come up and whack them together. Just straight out. Up! If it's too heavy, just keep your elbows
You gotta keep your arms straight, Sammy.
straight. Oh, wait a minute now. I didn't say beat yourself to death. You okay? Alright.
Yeah.
Alright, here, let me slide in a second, okay? Let me see if I can do these. Mine have bigger plates on them so I don't bust my knuckles. Oh, jeez. You're gonna hold it like this, behind your head. Go like this, and try not to whack yourself in the back or the back of the head. Okay? I'm gonna hand it to you right here. That's it. Now be careful. Don't go beating yourself to death. You gotta have control. I don't want brain damage over here. And you try to work this part of your arm right in here. So just kind of like hold your elbows in one place. You know what I mean? There you go. Just like a machine. There you go. All the way down, as far as you can go. No beating yourself in the head.
My head's tough.
Go way down. Touch your back. Go way down. There you go. Now push it up. There you go. All the way down. There you go.
Okay, that's enough.
That's enough? Okay. I thought you were just getting going good. You want to come down? Don't do it on that hard floor. Come on down and do some. That's where we got all that fancy stuff down there. You're not even trying though. You gonna try? You're not gonna try. Alright, that's it. I'm not gonna set up anymore for you. You're not gonna try.
You know, there was a bobcat that came over and it was only 10 o'clock at night.
One of them got eaten alive.
No.
Okay. After she finishes milking the other goat, we will go, okay?
Oh, this is exciting. Well, I didn't have that. This is the only thing I didn't have on my other one, so. Oh, I thought you were. That sounded like water. Can't even see you.
How'd you get in through here if there's all these peanuts?
1 5-acre piece right there with a house is cut out of it.
How'd you get through all the peanuts without driving over anything? Or did you drive over something?
How do you do it?
How did you run over all the peanut plants without pushing it?
Want to see how they're planted in rows?
Yeah.
And they got that planted seeds and drive your tires in between. It, you know, spaced for, you know, whatever tractor, that's how they do it.
What's this good for you? Hey, Mommy, try to get this. Get this in.
There's still a lot of fog over there.
Mommy, get this in.
Here, we can get a shelter right here.
Oh no! Oh no! We got Francis Ford Coppola up here.
Hey, Brian, I know.
No, you don't need a
Just wear it
sweatshirt.
like that.
Yeah, right.
Huh?
I know 2 ways to pick
Uh.
peanuts.
Yeah,
What's
this,
that?
this property, when you go up here, up on the hill, you got to walk up there and then you look down, and that to me is the prettiest part of the property. Right here, it's not really, not too impressive, but when you go up there, it's a lot more impressive.
Wow, this grass is growing though.
I mowed all this last time I was here. I didn't mow out there because I figured
Yeah.
Olaf would come through the batwing, but I did all this. I did the septic mound.
When was the last time you were here?
It hasn't been that long.
That's a cool tree over
3
there.
weeks or something.
Dad, get some peanuts.
Yep, it's pretty. Nothing organic about it, that's for sure. God, they nuked it, man. There's not a
Oh,
weed
really?
out
This
there.
is all chemically grown?
Oh, God, yeah, with lots of good chemicals.
And there's millions
They,
of them.
They went in there and really nuked the weeds. Olaf, when he was up here last time, he said something about, he was looking around, he says, well, he says, the peanuts have finally come back. I said, yeah, they're looking real nice. He said, well, they weren't for a while. He said, they got a little heavy-handed with the herbicide. He says, you know, it actually stunted, he got so heavy with it, he stunted the peanuts. He says, but they clean. And they are, they're clean. But kind of.
Let's see what you got. Where's the peanuts on there?
Here, 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 and here.
Okay, let me,
Here,
you
pick
can
it
put that down and let me see what's in your hand. Let's see which one you found.
All right, peanut.
Turn it over.
There's some ripe peanuts inside.
Wow. Those are the peanuts, huh?
Mhm.
So this is the most of the land, this view, or this 40 acres?
We're about in the center. I think it's.
So it just goes,
Well, it just goes to the fence line right there. And to the
which is where those trees are?
no, right here, close up to you.
Yeah,
This-
that's what I meant, those
yeah,
bushes.
yeah, the bushes and everything are growing over that fence. Yep, just what you see in peanuts is ours right now.
Oh, okay. Wow.
And it goes, of course, that way into the sun. It actually goes well. It drops down and goes back up again, and it goes back there quite a ways too. It's hard to see with the sun there.
Uh-huh.
We can walk back there later. I wanted to buy the next 40 acres. Would go like all the way over to, see that pole that has the transformer on it and that little head
Yeah.
of trees over there. So the next 40 would get us over to the main well. There's a great big 6-inch well. That's why that's why the power lines are going over there. Although Olaf did say that he has access to it, you know, over to this piece of property already. So if you ever did want to do anything that required irrigation, you've got to get to that well. Talking.
All right, what did you just say?
Anyway,
100, he bought, first guy bought 135?
yeah, the first guy bought it, like, it was like 135, I think, or something like that. It goes all the way over, you know, the full width of this, and goes all the way over to 62nd Avenue. But yeah, I mean, we kind of wanted to, but it would have stretched us a little thin. But anyway, they already had their mind made up to sell it to this guy, so that was that. But
Wow. This is
but now
really-
he's got it for sale for like 4 times what he paid for it. I think he paid like $4,500 an acre, and now he wants $16,000 an acre. So more power to him, but I'm not quite ready to. I don't need a bed.
Or, you know, the 3-year deal where nothing's on this land. Yeah. They say it takes 3 years. Particularly with pre-emergence type herbicides, it takes that long for it dissipate. Even if we did move up here, it would take that long to just get our butts up here.
Yeah.
Around porch.
This is the highest spot on the whole, even you know,
It's
the
pretty right up
160
here.
acres or whatever. I mean, we're up on top of the Alps here.
Yeah. This is the high point?
This is it. You can't get any higher. We are high as a kite. Oh, we have a kite.
Yes, we do.
We could fly
No
the kite
wind.
from here. Well,
No wind right
the
now.
wind will be there later. So, you
So
know,
where are those cows I was hearing all morning?
oh, they're everywhere.
Oh.
There used to be some kind of down here and across the street. I don't know if they're still there or not. I
What
think
is it?
They're over there.
Cows.
Cows, you can hear them now.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, after planting fruit trees now, you know, it just feels like why would you want to plant any other kind of tree that's not producing something, you know?
Yeah.
Like if that was a mango or...
Shade's not a bad idea either.
Well, they get that big though, you know?
Yes,
Might as well
right.
have
Some of
some
them
fruit
do,
on
yeah.
it.
I wish I had some, you know,
Pecans are kind of cool.
there's some nice big oak trees here with the Spanish moss and everything, but they're kind of all up in the fence line, you know? Well,
The nice perimeter, you know.
yeah, well,
Yeah.
it's a wind block and it's nice to look at and everything. You know, I could need to kind of mow that brush back in there a little bit. You could get back in there just a little bit at least.
We'll take those poison peanuts.
They have chemicals on them. Uh,
They do?
Oh, there's some good chemical peanuts.
Oh.
Oh, look at this. Well, they're not going to kill you now. I'm not sure you want to die.
Not right now. Maybe 50 years from now.
It's not a crisis, but there's nothing organic about any of this.
No, but red clover, if you could do it, that would be the one.
Well, the trick with all this stuff is, if you want to do it on a large scale, is to somehow figure out how to get it up before the weeds take over, And I mean, you see how nice and clean and beautiful this is, but keep in mind this has been.
The video always looks better with people in it and just not their voices, You'll see when we watch it. You don't want to just look at this
hate
blank
my own
stuff.
voice when I hear myself. I'm like, who is that idiot, and why doesn't he shut up?
No, I think you'll like the other one I took already. And you'll see. Okay, say that again.
So this is a wonderful piece of property, but I've looked at peanuts from both sides now, and I'm ready to have adventures.
All
Well, you
right.
haven't eaten your cereal and it's getting very soggy up there.
Oh,
Peanut flowers.
Yeah, they are.
Oh.
I wonder
What's he looking at?
peanut flowers.
Well, don't pick them.
I wonder what they have to pollinate those. You know what I mean? If little bugs maybe little bugs take care of them. She got the camera out.
Like that. No, like that guy right there. Turn around and do what he's doing with Valerie's hat. No.
Here, I need Sammy here.
Yeah.
Sam, you understand how this bridge is made?
Wow.
Look up. Your cables? Okay. Everything's hanging from the cables. They go way up to these great big towers at the other end. And then see how they got the cables that go back down to the ground way back yonder. Okay? So that's that same cable going all the way back and anchored into the ground. So as you're pulling down here, okay, you put weight here, it's trying to pull up on that, and I'm sure they have some massive hunk of concrete at the other end of it. And so it's suspended and it's actually hanging. Isn't that cool? In the boat.
So it will never fall no matter how rough we get, right?
As far as we know. Unless some little guy comes out here with a hacksaw. Just like you see in movies, like they do with the vines. They use vines instead of steel cables. It's the same difference.
Take a little break.
Valerie looks like she's posing, doesn't she? No swimming. I wish you could go swimming.
I know, I want to cool off.
Jump in.
Yeah, but
Alligators.
Picture of gators in there.
I want to see one.
I want some proof that there is.
That's what I'm talking about.
I actually want some proof, right?
Look at all the turtles on the bank over there.
Well, guys, don't know if we realize
Man, there's
this.
a lot of turtles over there. We need to go back up there and look down. See all the
There's a-
turtles on the bank.
Yeah.
You realize this is the end of the river.
Wow. Oh, really? This
Yeah.
is where it goes under?
That's it.
Oh, right there where
That's
the
it.
turtles are?
That's it.
Look at all of them.
It-
Wow.
Over here. Over there, there's a
This
ton
is
of turtles.
big
Can you
thing
zoom
and-
in on them?
Yeah. See?
Remember, we just walked around there and there's some little swampy stuff past it.
Yeah.
But
Wow, that's cool.
So this is the end of the Santa Fe River. It goes underground.
it goes underground for, I don't know, a couple miles anyway, and comes back up at River Rise State Park, somewhere southwest of here.
Look at calm water.
900 million gallons of water per
Hard
day.
to imagine more than 900 million gallons of water per day flow underground here at the Santa Fe River sink. 44 miles to this point. Okay, wow.
44
Oh,
miles
wait.
to this point. We're just
Okay, and then 3 miles away.
3
from
miles
the
away
Santa
at the
Fe.
River Rise, yeah.
Right.
35 miles more and it gets to Swanee. Okay, and here you are on the map. Santa Fe Sink. Oh, I guess it kind of comes up maybe a little bit, huh? Then really comes up here.
And my fan won't work.
Good thing I put on that bug repellent. There are mosquitoes galore.
This would be a good road to drive on too, or well, better to bicycle. But the old Bellamy Road, we've been on.
Yeah, that's cool.
We were looking at some property. I remember riding around on that. It's a real trip back in time.
Okay, race.
Everybody?
Action. Oh, really?
Yeah, there is a waterfall.
Wow.
There's a waterfall?
Here we go.
Oh.
I would have to take her and walk her up down the street.
Oh. And everybody got a whip.
Anybody got a whipping is out in trouble. And if one of the boys got a whipping, they all know. They were hard-headed. They would not. You knew one of them did it, but they wouldn't give up. They wouldn't tell them which one had done it. So they'd all get a whipping. You would have thought they would too. But I guess it was a pact they made that, you know, they would
I got one! There's gonna be a whole bunch over there, okay? No, that's over here. There's more. There's another one over there.
It's great seeing young people, isn't it? I mean, coming from Vero, it's like, you know, we're the, like when you were in your gardening club up there in Sebastian, you were the, you know, the only one under pretty much his deal.
Great.
There was a better guy back there. You should have seen what he was doing.
Oh yeah? What was he doing?
Well, he would run and do it like that backwards, like his feet would like go this way.
Here, look at this, look at this.
Going bad.
What's
that?
Here's the Santa Fe coming down with all the tannic acid hitting the...
This is where, I don't know. This isn't where it comes up, or
No.
how is that happening?
It's just the brown water from the river. It's coming down this way. So. And it's hitting the clear water from the springs.
Ready?
Hmm.
Kayla, will you jump with me?
Me?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, last time, and then I'm walking up there.
Ha! I got
Going
it!
up here?
Back up there. Yeah, Haley, I just went first.
Are you?
You walked in.
Yeah. There's part of me that wants to, but
Yeah.
Well, go, girl.
we're on film.
You're gonna go in?
No, I can't even.
She's thinking about
It's
it.
fun.
You're gonna jump off the rail?
Or you want us to jump in?
Yeah.
It's actually really warm.
Is it warm? It's much warmer than up
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah.
That's why you're hanging out down here. A lot warmer.
Because of the tannic acid, right?
Yeah.
Then that might
All right, you're gonna go in. Just do one of your, triple flips into a dive thing.
Okay.
She says do a triple flip dive.
I can't
Yeah,
balance.
right.
Okay, ready?
Dive.
All right, Valerie,
Hey, you didn't flop your arms out.
our local Olympian.
Yeah, hit me.
Sorry. What hit you? The water.
Haley?
It's easier.
All right, Valerie.
Do not get
You're-
out there. I didn't hit.
Yes,
My
you did.
finger hurts.
Double twist.
Yo, Kayla, I'm right here.
Oh, I
Come on.
should've
No
been-
one push me.
I should have had
I
the
wanna stand
side
up
view.
and do it.
Excuse me. Hit bottom.
Yeah, you died.
I was wondering about that.
Yeah. It's not that deep.
You okay?
What'd you do? She hit the bottom.
She found the bottom.
It's actually not that deep.
Dude, you hurt my shoulder really bad. She went in.
Haley, can you get them back? Because I want to stand up and do it.
Okay.
It's like, get up and do it.
Ready? Sorry.
That's okay. Well,
Please don't hit me.
Go behind me then.
Hit hard.
Jump out.
I'm trying.
Right spot because I hit the water sideways.
Ready? Haley.
are you going, Brian?
Right now.
Are you going in?
I want to hit the nasty bottom.
Landed on you, Haley.
Now I'll have to.
Now you have
All right.
How deep is it?
Shoulder.
How deep is
Ready?
it?
You didn't feel it?
I can go out there and stand in there and see.
Yeah, I know when I actually touched the,
Yeah.
Not hard though.
No, kind of mush.
Flipped out to the
No,
side.
well, I'm not much of a diver. I'm just gonna drop it.
Why does my
The way you dive, you won't have a problem.
Let's go one
Thanks.
more. I don't want to go back.
You're leaving. I made a blue.
Arc of the diver.
Bye.
Bye. Thank you.
Oh,
Alright, ready?
that was too quick. I didn't know he was just gonna squat like that.
Ready? I'm going.
He caught me off guard.
I missed it.
I know. That's what I mean. I missed it too, and I missed it
Goodbye
too.
to them.
Oh, what's the matter with my arms? They're all red. Oh my God, what happened?
Good thing your face is red. Haley, come on. Yeah.
Okay. I don't think I.
Wow, what a view.
Come on. Come back in. Come on. Let's go. Go. Come on.
Alright, ready? I want to go back. 1,
2, 3. They're like, do it. We hit at the same time.
Yeah, I might have to get something like that for Val and I.
Yeah, you gotta get single ones.
Yeah, something a little shorter to go down these little creeks with. I don't care how good. It was closed. I mean, I wanted to do it on the motorcycle, but it was under 3 feet of snow still up there. You know, we're up at like 11,000 feet, you know. Here we are riding a motorcycle, and there's snow all over the place.
Yeah.
Okay.
You got too much sun today, baby. I thought we were in the shade.
I know,
I
I
got
did
more
too.
more sun than I realized too.
Every time I try. No, go jump. Last jump.
There he goes.
Got it.
Got him?
Or up there at the bathhouse.
No.
Right here. When I dove in down there, I went to go to the
See,
bathroom and pulled
this is a
my suit
unique
down,
view
it's like
because
all dirt.
nobody's here now.
Huh?
This is a unique view because we have the whole place to ourselves.
Yeah, oh, I know.
Unbelievable.
What you got there, baby? Teen beat?
What is it, Sammy? I don't want to get my feet all wet.
Fine.
How's that? A little fish?
A tadpole.
Oh,
2.
look at that. Yeah. Okay, go put it back.
Looks like somebody forgot something. Mommy, it looks like somebody forgot something.
Yeah.
What? Oh, yes.
Yeah, I was gonna ask you. I went ahead and just unbolted one of the cable clamps. Yeah, right. Just tomorrow morning. Whole system, it works just great.
And that you think that's better than solid wood or something,
Well,
or
anything
slats?
Anything else is gonna rot out. You
Oh,
know?
okay.
Plus, you can, well, I don't know. When it's time to clean house, you can just roll all those pipes to one end, or you know what I mean. It's,
How they did it basically.
So, what did you say this was 30 by 26 feet, right?
Roughly, yeah. Concrete block with coral slabbed on the outside. But you know, you could use anything. I mean, you could do, like you say, tile if you wanted to. Do mosaics.
can if you want to write on your ribbon there. No, this is it. Oh, good luck. Thank you for coming.
Is there any more tape anywhere?
Yeah, there should be fun.
Too big for the thing here.
Where can you buy rootstock?
You really can't very often. Nurserymen don't want to sell rootstock. When they grow it, it's because they need it for their own stuff. But if they sell it to you for what it's worth, they're losing money. If you get really stuck and there's something important you want to grab, just go buy a tree. I mean, that's not ideal, but if you're only going to do this once, just go buy an avocado tree somewhere and grab it.
Citrus go to the Division of Plant Industries in Winter Haven, right?
Well, yeah, they can recommend people, but don't do citrus. Just skip it altogether.
Citrus and mango.
Cheaper to go to the nursery.
I think we're out. So you got the winter hay?
Well, we budded over 5 acres of white citrus, and we did bud over 5 acres of. The problem was it was on the rootstock. It was swindle. And we ended up the swindle declined after several years, and we had like 20 different varieties. We had a real variety growth. We just went to the Division of Plant Industry, tasted fruit, like it.
That
didn't like it.
up there is lovely.
Yeah.
I've spent a lot of time in that place.
But but then we lost all ours from the hurricane, so
Well, we had 126 different varieties here from all over.
I couldn't get this one, it's just too straight.
You say bigger ones aren't very good. Once again, that's about as big as I have a bigger.
Well, yeah, the bigger rootstocks are hard. You end up having to graft way up high on them. I think that really isn't a good thing.
Yeah, I've got one little.
Yeah, the thing to do is to really keep them marching along and get them going, and Oh, okay.
Oh, you want to know how to tie that?
Well, please do.
You know how to tie that? Or you?
Yeah, you got to cross over on itself. I just got
For the club? No. Volunteer. Oh, volunteer. Leave your name and phone number up in front. Oh, they have it. Okay.
I just had a gap here that was going to catch water.
Oh, yeah, no, leave it. The number here is different from up there.
Oh, another thing I didn't do too.
Yes, sir.
Leave it here.
You were talking about the orange.
Right.